every beginner in tech making the same mistake. They keep learning the basics, Python, Java, Node, but never touch what companies actually use. Enterprise applications run on Spring Boot microservices, Redis for caching, Kafka for messaging between services. They use Cassandra for NoSQL and PostgreSQL for high scalability and performance. I have seen developers who start with full enthusiasm and then get stuck in complex logic. Before AI, it was very tough for beginners to learn all these languages and implement it as per client expectations. But now, with using AI, you can solve this problem. Literally, you no need to worry about the complex logic. AI will give you all that complex logic. All you have to do is you should give prompt in a very proper way, and also you should know what exactly you're working on and what output you are expecting. Based on that, if you give a proper prompt to the AI, then your problem is solved. Stop learning like a beginner and start learning like an engineer.